Here is our egg tray forming machine in operation. The prepared paper pulp is shaped by the forming molds and transferred smoothly onto the conveyor. The process is continuous and efficient, making it suitable for commercial egg tray production. The pulp is prepared and supplied to the forming system for continuous production. As you can see, the forming process runs continuously. Each mold picks up the pulp, forms the tray, and transfers it to the conveyor. This simple and stable process helps maintain consistent tray quality while improving production efficiency. But this machine is not limited to egg trays. By changing the forming molds, it can produce different types of molded pulp packaging, including various shaped trays. Looking for an egg tray machine for your business? Contact us to discuss your production needs and find the right solution for you.